Can Australian cattle dogs be used in competitive obedience trials? Australian cattle dogs, also known as blue heelers or Queensland heelers, are renowned for their intelligence, loyalty, and working abilities. Originally bred for herding cattle, these dogs have proven to excel in various tasks. But can they also thrive in the world of competitive obedience trials? In this article, we will explore the characteristics of Australian cattle dogs and determine if they can be successful in this discipline. Before delving into their suitability for competitive obedience trials, it is essential to understand the nature and history of Australian cattle dogs. Bred in the 19th century in Australia, these dogs were created by crossing collies, dingoes, and other herding breeds. They were specifically developed to handle the challenging terrain and conditions of Australian cattle ranches. As a result, Australian cattle dogs are known to possess an incredible work ethic, high energy levels, and intense focus. Competitive obedience trials involve demonstrating a dog's ability to follow commands and perform various exercises, such as heeling, retrieving, and staying. These trials require dogs to showcase their obedience, accuracy, and responsiveness to their handlers. The tasks range from basic commands to more complex sequences, and dogs are judged based on their precision and reliability in executing these tasks. Considering the temperament and intelligence of Australian cattle dogs, it is reasonable to assume that they have the potential to excel in competitive obedience trials. These dogs are known for their quick learning abilities and natural instincts to work alongside humans. Their intelligence allows them to understand commands quickly, and their loyalty ensures they are dedicated to following these instructions. However, it is important to note that Australian cattle dogs have an independent streak. This independent nature can sometimes make them a bit stubborn or resistant to authority. While these characteristics might pose challenges in training, they by no means make the breed unsuitable for competitive obedience trials. With the right training methods and a patient, consistent handler, Australian cattle dogs can overcome any obstacles and thrive in obedience competitions. To be successful in competitive obedience trials, Australian cattle dogs require ample mental and physical stimulation. These dogs crave challenges and enjoy having a job to do. Regular exercise, obedience training, and mental stimulation through puzzle toys or games are crucial to a cattle dog's well-being. Incorporating these activities into their routine will not only keep them physically fit but also mentally engaged, leading to higher success rates in obedience trials. Another factor to consider is the breed's high energy levels. Australian cattle dogs are known for their endurance and stamina, traits that make them suitable for herding livestock for long hours. However, in competitive obedience trials, these energy levels can be both an advantage and a disadvantage. Handlers must ensure that their cattle dogs are physically and mentally prepared for the demands of an obedience trial. Sufficient exercise and mental stimulation will help channel their energy in a productive way, preventing boredom and potential behavioral issues. Australian cattle dogs have achieved success in various canine sports and competitions, including obedience trials. Their intelligence, agility, and willingness to work make them an excellent choice for these activities. However, it is essential to remember that each dog is an individual, and not all Australian cattle dogs will have the same aptitude for competitive obedience trials. Some may excel while others may struggle. In conclusion, Australian cattle dogs can be used in competitive obedience trials with the right training, handling, and preparation. Their intelligence, loyalty, and natural working abilities make them suitable candidates for this discipline. Responsible breeders and trainers can further enhance their potential by selecting dogs with the necessary temperament and drive for obedience work. With proper care, motivation, and training, Australian cattle dogs can definitely impress in obedience trials and showcase their remarkable abilities.